everyone, Crystal here with Repair Shopper. We have some ticket automation ideas that you could implement today to help accommodate your changing workflows. So I'm going to start in my admin section and I'm going to head down to ticket preferences. I think it's worth starting here because this might be the beginning of how to build maybe some new custom workflows, ticket automations, and that kind of thing. So first, when you go into ticket preferences, you'll see that you have the ability to add ticket issue types. So what I've done is add a few that might make sense in these kind of new changing times and different customer demands. So maybe you have customers that need a remote environment set up, or something like you are a repair business and now your customer either wants to drop something off or you want to extend a service of picking up that product to bring back and fix and then deliver. So I've added a new ticket type for repair, pickup, and delivery. In addition to that, if you go to additional settings, you have the ability to add custom statuses as well. So again, for this specific use case that I'm going to talk about, and of course, this might be a little bit different, but at least this will give you the tools to create these customizations for your own business. So for example, I've added a status of ready for pickup and ready for delivery. So I went ahead and added those prior to making this video. Now, if I go to tickets and ticket automations, what I can do is set up automations that will hopefully keep everything in line and keep everything on track. So first, maybe you want to set up an automation. I've created one ready for delivery. So you've brought in this product and now it's ready to be delivered to your customer. So what you might want to do is have an automation set up that when that ticket status hits ready for delivery and an email automatically sends out to your customer, maybe, hey, your repair is complete and ready for delivery. Then what's really nice is this body of the email, you can use these available tags down here. So I've made a very simple one. And again, you can customize this as you see fit, but hey, and I've used the customer name tag, your order is ready for delivery. I've confirmed this is the address I want to deliver. And then in this email, I'm saying, please let me know, get back to me at a good time that I can deliver this product. So this is kind of maybe the start of the automation. And then the other thing that I've done just as an idea, just so that things don't, fall by the wayside, I've also set up an automation for customer reply waiting or pickup and delivery. You can call it whatever you want. This is just what made sense in my brain. So maybe the condition is, the ticket status is ready for delivery. The ticket issue type is maybe, again, you've created a new issue type for repair, pickup, and delivery. So maybe you've sent that email, the status is still ready for delivery, because if a customer replies to a ticket, the ticket will automatically update to customer reply. So the thought process here is if this ticket is still sitting in this status for maybe 12 hours, for example, you can add additional conditions if you'd like, but maybe this ticket's still sitting there, meaning that customer has not gotten back to you. So you're still just holding this product. So you could have it automatically send them another email saying, checking in, your repair is complete. And of course, again, here's all your available tags. So you can customize the body of this message and just say, hey, I'm checking back in, your repair is ready, I'd like to get this delivered. So this just helps you automate a way that you're not always trying to remember, ooh, did I deliver this? Has this been sent out to a customer? Did a customer even reply? So this will hopefully carry some of that load during this changing customer demand. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found it helpful. Have a great day, and please stay safe.